7 Shorts Showcase. Konnichiwa, minasan! With 2024 upon us, let's look at some of our short videos tied to good fortune. Let's go! Maneki-neko, the luckiest cat in the world. Yeah, this cutie is so iconic that you won't only find it in Japan, but all over the world. You might have seen it before when you were out shopping or dining. The Maneki-neko, or beckoning cat, is believed to bring good luck and fortune, particularly for businesses. There are people who keep one in their homes as well. You'll usually find it by the entrance, holding a coin and welcoming visitors with its little paws raised. Some even have a mechanical arm to add to the charm. They're so cute! And if you can't own a cat because of allergies, rules, or whatnot, maybe you should get a Maneki-neko instead. Now with Maneki-neko inviting you to watch more of this video, let's talk about something that can make things go away. Teru bozu. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Teru bozu, yay! He will come and save the day. Teru bozu is a cute little doll that is used like a talisman to make the rain go away. It's very popular in Japan, so if you're a big otaku, then you may have seen it in lots of anime and manga. When you make one, hang it up by the window and the sky will be clear the next day. But be careful, don't accidentally hang it upside down or you'll just get more rain instead. Anyway, moving on. It's round, it's red, and it's really mostly head. It's Daruma-san! These dolls can make your wishes come true. They symbolize good luck and prosperity and are a super popular gift item. Daruma was originally inspired by the founder of Zen Buddhism, Bodhidharma. Get it? Daruma? Dharma? The color red represents a high-ranking priest, and a round shape symbolizes being able to cycle through hardships and come back to the top for success. Daruma are made without their eyes drawn in, so you can take some sumi ink and fill in your wish on its left eye. This symbolizes a promise that once Daruma-san achieves your goal, you'll be gifting him with complete eyesight by drawing on its right eye. This kind of reminds me of those quests in RPGs where you talk to an NPC to fulfill a task. By the way, this Daruma is different from the one in the movie As the God's Will, as some of you, my lovely viewers, commented. That one is monstrous. And speaking of which, let's move to yokai. Tanuki. Not quite raccoons, but raccoon dogs. These beloved creatures are actually closer in species to foxes than raccoons. After living for many, many years, these beloved creatures can turn into yokai. It is commonly known that Tanuki can shapeshift and fool humans in order to play tricks on them. As mischievous as they are, not all stories of Tanuki are bad. You'll see them as statues all throughout Japan and in front of stores for good luck and wealth. They possess large sacks of family jewels. Tanuki have become synonymous with kintama or golden balls. Speaking of balls, our next one likes to play with balls. Hey, don't get any weird ideas. We're talking about actual balls. Zashiki-warashi. House spirits that are fond of mischief but bring great fortune to the home they dwell in. These phantom children with blushing red faces are guardian spirits of the house and are even considered gods of luck. However, when the Zashiki-warashi leaves, so does the good luck, and all that's left is misfortune. This is what makes the Zashiki-warashi a welcome ghost in Japanese households. Fortunately, our next yokai deals with misfortune. Hahakigani. Brooms that have come to life. Sounds like something out of the scene of Disney's Fantasia. This yokai is not actually evil. In fact, The Hahakigami can sweep out evil energies in homes. It was said that before becoming common cleaning tools, brooms were considered to be holy instruments in Japan, used in temples to clean evil energy. They've also become synonymous with safe childbirth and protecting pregnant women during labor by keeping good energy at homes. Brooms that can sweep dust and evil away. Truly made of magic. And finally, our seventh final bringer of good fortune, Kameosa.
Oh yeah!
Like a certain jug, the Kameosa is an earthenware jug that roams around the house. It's always full and never runs empty. Water, sake, beer, it doesn't matter what the liquid. You won't ever run out of it for the rest of your life. Unlike that jug that breaks walls, they're actually a yokai of good fortune and bounty. The Kameosa was created by Toriyama Sekien for his final yokai entry in his last yokai book. Just like Toriyama-san, we want this video and the year to end with a yokai of bounty and good fortune. We, here at Onippon, wish you, my lovely viewers, good fortune and prosperity in 2024. Yoi otoshi wo? If you want to know what that means, go check out our useful Japanese phrases shorts. Till next time, mata ne!